Hi, I'm Matt Parker from the University of Maryland Extension, and I'd like to give you a tip to open oysters so you can cook them at home and not have to worry about using a shucking knife. First thing we do is we get some oysters. You can get oysters from your local oyster farm, or you can get them from the local seafood market. So I have some nice oysters here from one of our Maryland farms. First thing we're going to do is put them in the freezer. So we'll put our oysters in the freezer, we'll let them sit overnight, and then tomorrow we'll thaw them out and open them right up to cook them. Hi, so we let our oysters sit in the freezer overnight. This morning I got the oysters out, left them in a bowl and let them thaw for a little while. And what you can see happen is, as they thaw, they start to open up a little bit. That makes it really easy to take your regular old kitchen knife, slide it in that spot, wiggle it around, pry open your oyster, easy peasy. Now you just got to find a good recipe to bake oysters, put them on the grill, and you're all set for some oysters Rockefeller or char grilled oysters New Orleans style. Have a good day and order some Maryland farm raised oysters.